Hey everybody, what's up? This is Dope Lee, and today I'm going to demonstrate a new way of uploading video content, and it's also very efficient in our platform. So for example, I log into my dashboard. Usually, as a teacher, I will log into my dashboard, and I will show you step by step how you can do that. Remember that you can click on all courses. You can also click on more, create a course from a dashboard, but I've already created a course, but in the draft format, which means I haven't published it yet. So yeah, I'm just click on all courses, and you can either click on instructing courses, you see 0. So there's no change. There's no difference, right? Yeah, if that's already online, it's not a draft anymore. You can see the numbers here, how much courses you're teaching right now. So right now there's no difference because haven't published any course yet. You can see the draft, right? Now let's click in. So this function is very good for you to finish the unfinished course edition. Yeah, it's not finished yet, but you can see many of this materials I used the video format, everything's clear. Yeah, everything's video. Now you see the difference if you click on the first video. This is the normal function uploading. I'm using the server function to upload stuff.
This is DL English, and we deliver
I don't have to play the whole one. It's just like 30 minutes long, something like very long. Have the attachments, have assignment. I don't have to click in all of them. You see what I'm talking about. And then this is the typical uploading function, and you see the difference here. For example, click on any one of them. No, I'm using Vimeo service. For example. Yeah. Let's look at my videos here. Yeah. So basically, I'm just using a Vimeo Plus account. It doesn't really cost you much. It's just about 500 RMB, Chinese yuan per year. For American dollars, it's just like maybe $60 or $70. That something like that. It's very cheap, and also you can use the free account as you wish. Because I'm having some kind of heavy upload amounts, so I'm using Plus. Of course, you can upgrade that even further to Pro or something. You can do some research by yourself. So using Vimeo is that you can just share the link here, and because I say the password here, right? So yeah, and then if you, for example, this is the password. Yeah, you give your student simply, and you click on watch the video, and everything here, right? Very clear. Now I think you're able to switch between different quality of videos. Yeah.
This is DL English,
now
and we deliver your English study in
1080p.
Tests results.
Yeah, because I'm using VPN. I'm in China, so now I have to use VPN to connect to this website. It's a little bit slow, but there won't be a problem in any Western countries or Japan, Korea. Yeah, you see, it's very clear. It's very clear, right? Okay, I don't have to play through all of that. So what I'm trying to say is that it's kind of important for you to understand how to use the Vimeo or YouTube insert. So what I will show you is that you just click on edit course. Of course, in creation of new course, you can still do the same operation. Now, I've already saved this pattern or something like this. So I'll click on this one. Yeah. Now, I'm just showing you that what you can do. 2 things. Yeah, in uploading video, you can either use the traditional method that we've talked about last time. You click on Add Media, and you click on Upload Files. Now, the maximum upload file size is 1 GB, but don't expect too much because we want to make sure our server is healthy. So most of the time, our actual limit will be set around 50 megabytes or something. So if you upload anything larger than 50 megabytes, you might have a problem in uploading. Of course, old-fashioned way, click on select files and upload whatever you want to upload, usually the video. But now you can use insert from URL. Whatever you do is pretty simple, okay? So you just click on the video and then you give them the link, right? That's it. But remember, if you're using the password protection, you have to include the password in the form of text below this video, like I did before. Otherwise, your student won't be able to access it. You just copy and paste the link here, and you, boom, insert in your post, and that's it. Okay, so I would recommend you to use more of this function, insert from URL, instead of add media, choose from your local file folder. Because this is really slow and unreliable. Because we want a limited space of uploading, otherwise our servers are not that healthy. Yeah, so please understand this one. But of course, you have the choice. You can also do this uploading, traditional uploading, but we don't really recommend you. You can insert from URL, that's a better way. So if you're using YouTube, there might be a chance that your video has ads in it. So YouTube is also nice. But I would personally suggest you to use more of the Vimeo, because YouTube is good for the first-hand content creation, not teaching material, whatever. Content creation-wise is very nice. But for the Vimeo, there won't be no ads, especially you upgrade your account into Plus service. So you can always solve the problem if you cannot upload your files locally very successfully. You can always use Vimeo and YouTube. Just use the link, copy, paste, insert URL, and that's it.